Coconut water. Fun and interesting facts. Looking for a tasty alternative to water? Keep yourself hydrated with coconut water. Dubbed as the ultimate thirst quencher, it offers a plethora of health benefits, thanks to its overload of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, phytohormones and electrolytes. Making it a habit to drink this can definitely reap benefits for your health. Let's get to know more about it with these useful facts. Coconut water can boost weight loss efforts. If you've been trying to lose weight but haven't had any luck, try incorporating coconut water into your diet. It is extremely low in fat and calories but equips you with all the nutrients you need to have enough energy for physical activities. It also works by suppressing the appetite, giving you a feeling that you're full for a longer time. Moreover, it is rich in enzymes that boost the body's metabolism. Coconut water is great for the skin. Want to have picture-perfect skin? Coconut water can help. Apply this regularly on your skin and you can finally bid goodbye to acne, uneven skin tone and other skin issues. It doesn't only help clear up the skin and get rid of blemishes, it also works as a natural moisturizer, making the skin appear younger and more supple. It's no wonder it's a popular ingredient in many skincare products, particularly facial creams and body lotions. Coconut is an excellent remedy for hangovers. If you've partied the night away and could not drag yourself out of the bed the next morning, let coconut water come to your rescue. It is more powerful in hydrating the body than sports beverages. It contains 250 mg potassium and 105 mg sodium per 100 milliliters. Just one serving of coconut water can provide 13% of the recommended daily amount. It can efficiently replenish electrolytes lost during vomiting or urination. It also works for those suffering from diarrhea or loose stools. Coconut water aids in digestion. If you've been having digestion issues such as bloating, acid reflux and so on, you can turn to coconut water for relief. Not only does it contain enough fiber to boost digestion and minimize acid reflux, it also has naturally occurring enzymes like diastase, catalase, and peroxidase that can help you digest your food more efficiently. Coconut water is rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants found in coconut water can help your health in more ways than one. Primarily, they neutralize the damage caused by free radicals inside the body. Free radicals, which are byproducts of metabolism, can cause cellular damage. Antioxidants fighting these unstable molecules can help prevent an array of serious ailments including heart disease and high blood pressure, as well as ward off signs of premature aging. Coconut water can help reduce blood pressure. Speaking of high blood pressure, coconut water is indeed a boon to those with hypertension. Its adequate supply of electrolytes can help maintain proper levels of blood pressure. Experts recommend those with chronic hypertension to drink a glass of coconut water each morning. Beat your thirst the natural and healthy way with coconut water. It's packed with so many nutrients that will keep you in the pink of health, and at the same time, help you in a lot of ways such as when you have diarrhea, hangover, indigestion, high blood pressure and many more. The negatives of coconut water. With all the benefits of coconut water, are there any negatives? To be honest, not really. The main negative aspect of coconut water is a false negative. The benefits of coconut water, although beneficial, are not as beneficial as hyped on the internet. Make no mistake, they are amazingly beneficial, but unlikely to cure diseases and ailments that many remedy sites claim. Some sites claim that there are chances of causing electrolyte imbalance, increasing calorie intake etc., but these are extreme circumstances and I wouldn't pay attention unless you were living on coconut water, and even then, it would still be better than living on a soda that more and more people seem to be doing. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.